That was the opening riff to my latest single, The Devil's Prize. You can see the full official video over here, and maybe check it out on Spotify too if you do that. And if you're feeling really generous, give me a follow. Today we're gonna get into just what I'm playing there, but first. Okay, so there's really two sections to this intro. One is kind of the high dexterity part and then the groove part. The high dexterity part isn't difficult to remember or learn because it's very repetitive, but it does take a little bit of practice to get it down to speed. So the guitar is tuned standard with a drop D, and it starts with the D chord. It's gonna go just 3 chords. It's the D chord, the F chord, the G chord, and then back to the F chord with this riff in between. So you start with the D, and then you do that run. The run is very easy because it's symmetrical, or easy to remember anyway, and you just pick 3rd, 5th, 7th fret on the D string, then you pick the first note on the A string and hammer the others, and pick the 3rd fret on the D string and hammer the others. And doing that mixing between picking notes and playing the legato notes kind of gives it the feel that it has. So altogether, it's the D chord, it's the F chord, G chord, and then back to the F chord. And then we go into the second part of it, which is that groove part. It starts with the open D string, you play it twice, and then go to the octave D on the A string, and pull off, and then play the same note you pulled off to an A, then you're playing an A on the 7th fret here on the D string, then playing down to the 5th fret, the G, 2 clicks, then G down to F, very slow now. Then I repeat it. This time I go up. And so after that second time when you go up, you go back to the opening riff again, play through all that, and come back to the groovy part, repeat everything you just did. Now we're going to play it one more time. And now we're going to play these chords, the F to the G. And then just the open chord. And it starts with the vocals. That's the whole thing there. If you like the track, I hope you'll check it out. I'm really proud of it. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And until next time, guys, keep making great music.